In today's video, I'm now going to teach you how to add an image to your Yahoo email signature. We'll walk through the process from opening your browser to pasting a signature that includes an image, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way so everything displays cleanly in your emails. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to yahoo.com. In the upper right corner of the Yahoo homepage, click Sign In. If you already see a Yahoo Mail option, you can choose that, otherwise sign in with your Yahoo account. Follow the on-screen prompts and verification steps, then give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. Once you're signed in, look to the top right area for the Mail link and click it to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, go to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon, then choose More Settings. This opens the full settings panel where you can configure how your messages are composed and sent. In the left-hand menu, click Writing Email. This is where the signature editor lives and where you'll place your image-enabled signature. Before you paste anything, make sure you've prepared your signature elsewhere with the image already included. A reliable approach is to keep a clean version of your signature in a document, a note, or even a previously sent email that displays correctly. Copy that complete signature, including the image, from your source. The image should be appropriately sized, generally no wider than a few hundred pixels, so your emails load quickly and look professional across devices. Back in Yahoo Mail's Writing Email section, click into the signature editor and paste your signature with the image. Yahoo typically preserves formatting and embedded images when pasted, especially if the image is hosted online and publicly accessible. If your image doesn't appear, try copying from a different source, such as a web page or an email where the image is already visible, rather than from a file that requires local access. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Use a high-quality but lightweight image file to avoid slow loading. Keep your signature concise and focused on essentials, and avoid placing sensitive information in your signature. If you manage multiple mailboxes, confirm you're editing the correct account within the settings panel so the signature applies where you expect. That's it. You've opened Yahoo Mail, reached the writing email settings, copied your prepared signature with an image, and pasted it into the editor. From here on, your signature will be automatically included when you compose new messages and replies, giving your emails a clean, branded finish.